Hi, I'm Evan Mensamana, a mechanical design engineer here at SV Microwave. Today I'm introducing our SV20 product line, SV's highest density D38999 size 20 pin and socket contacts, designed for use for up to 40 GHz while maintaining a compact footprint. Modern defense solutions depend on faster and more maneuverable aircraft, lighter ground vehicles, and more efficient space systems. As the defense continues shifting to a swap-C mindset, size, weight, power, and cost, RF interconnects have to evolve as well. That's why SV developed the SV20 contacts for use within Amphenol's 2M circular housings or other MIL-DTL-38999 circular connectors. The 2M series already provides up to 71% weight savings and 52% size reduction compared to MIL-DTL-38999 connectors. Combined with SV20, you get a high-density, reliable interconnect system that meets the swap-C requirements of next-generation platforms. To learn more about our SV20 contacts and our other D38999 contacts, visit us at svmicrowave.com. Thanks for watching.